Hi, I'm Paul Neff, candidate for Shawnee Township Trustee. I'm a lifelong resident of Shawnee Township, and I operate our family farm for 6 generations. Our farm was established in April of 1853, before the Civil War, before Abraham Lincoln was president. Right now, it's lean times for farmers. With low commodity prices, high input cost, it's more of a lifestyle than a living. But with proper business management and sharpening the pencil, we're able to enjoy some of the profit margins that we've enjoyed in the past. I would like to bring this business-minded approach to Shawnee Township to provide fiscal responsibility with your tax dollars. I would appreciate your vote.